Alright, YouTube, it's me, David Harry, your favourite YouTuber and vlogger. So getting straight into this, there is only two differences between the GoPro Hero 12 and the Hero 11. First difference is it will record slightly longer as far as like record time is concerned, and the second difference is it's got slightly better stabilisation. Okay, literally they are the only two differences. Now as far as I'm concerned, this is an absolute piss take by GoPro, because both of these things I'm fairly sure could have been done with the 11 via a firmware and or software update. Okay, now where I've gotten this information from has been winfuture.de. There will be a link in the video description below so you can go and check out the article yourself. Just do a translation if you don't speak German. And on the screen right now you will be seeing pictures of the new GoPro Hero 12 Black, which basically looks like a Hero 11 Black but with 12 written on it. So like we can see here, this is essentially the exact same camera. Now just to quickly get to the crux of this particular video and why I believe GoPro are absolutely taking the piss now, and that's because there is absolutely no sign that the processor has been updated on the 12 compared to what it was on the 11. So this looks essentially to be exactly the same physically, same sensor and everything, same lens, and also the same processor. Now that all being the case, I cannot see how GoPro could not have done these two things on the 11, given that it is exactly the same as far as the hardware is concerned. So like I say, they are completely now taking the piss, because what they've done on this year-on-year updating, what they've decided to now do is go, do you know what, rather than give the clowns who buy our cameras anything new and like substantial as far as an update is concerned, all we're going to do is completely take the piss out of them and just do a software update that we could have done on the 11. Now, there may well be a chance that there could be a very slight hardware change which could lead to, like, you know, the better battery life. However, I don't think that's the case. I seriously think that this is just something that's done in optimization to the processing. So basically we're getting slightly longer battery lives out of the exact same battery. So the battery is the same capacity from the 11 to the 12. It's just that we're getting more recording out of it. So obviously something along the line here is being optimized a bit better. Once again, as far as I'm concerned, this all could have been done on the 11. Anyway, what I've done here is try to contain my disappointment and anger. So I've not swore here and I've not gone absolutely mental. But what I'm going to do is wait for GoPro to do their official video whenever that comes up. And at that point, I'll probably let rip, because as far as I'm concerned, they have got absolute disdain for us, the people who support them, who like constantly purchase year on year a new GoPro. And what they've done here is just stuck it to us big time by expecting us to just buy the exact same camera without giving us just a simple software or firmware update to the previous camera that could have made it the exact same camera. This is an absolute joke. I can feel myself starting to get into wanting to swear my head off and go completely mental here, so I'm going to dive off. Anyway, I will do something as a follow-up to this once GoPro do the official announcement. Not that I don't believe what winfuture.de is saying, because like I've said, I've used them in the past as sources of information for some of my videos and they've always been spot on. So right now these are leaks, not speculation. Anyways, I'm diving off because I definitely will start, like, I'll need to start bleeping the video. I'm David Harry. Thank you very much for watching this video. Take care and goodbye now.